Hi, I'm Gail Evans. I'm the Chief Digital Officer for Mercer. So operational efficiency at Mercer is definitely in the top 5 priorities for the firm. As any company, especially a company that has a very legacy footprint and is moving into modernization, they are looking for ways in which to become more efficient. A lot of manual processes that need to be automated, and that automation drives efficiency, drives a digital workforce. There's also operational efficiency around productivity. Right? Providing the right tools to a workforce that is starving for efficiency, starving for time, wanting to do more for the company, but needing the right tools and applying the right technology to their problem space to help them become more productive, more efficient in their everyday jobs. So what we've been able to do is, one, create what we call a workforce transformation, which is really looking at the opportunities across all of our lines of businesses to drive efficiency, whether that's colleague efficiency, simplifying our technology footprint. Like, we created the Mercer OS as a platform to eliminate some of the legacy platforms and migrate to a modern platform to lower the operating costs. Right, so we are looking for very innovative and creative ways to drive efficiency across our enterprise. The cloud is definitely a component. So the Mercer OS is an open architecture. So it has at its center is the cloud, and wanting to utilize that scalability and also the innovation that happens in the cloud. Right, we want to take full advantage of that, but it's not just for tech. We need to understand the business problem, our client problem, and apply the right technology to solve that problem. But we have a foundation we call the digital core, the Mercer OS. And that digital core has continuous integration, continuous delivery platform, a CI/CD, we have the cloud, and we have microservices. So we then build wrap it around with an API, and to drive that API economy, so we can participate in value streams. We can drive an internal API economy so that we can share services across our enterprise, which eliminates redundancy. A combination. We have some strategic partners that we partner with. I don't believe in having hundreds of partners. I believe in a critical few that can help me drive the agenda for Mercer. And those critical few learn the platform on their nickel, by the way, right? So I have a platform called the Mercer OS. It's a digital core. I want my strategic partners to have people on the bench that understand that platform so I can scale up and scale down. We also have what we call the Mercer OS Launchpad, where we're training internal talent. And we have this, I think it was McKinsey that calls it the digital talent incubator. And what we do, because hands-on is very important on this talent journey. And what we've done is partner growing talent, growing engineers with very talented experts, and take them on the journey to learn the new tech, learn the CI/CD, so that now they're ready to go alone on a different project. So we are very much investing in our existing talent to help them grow new skills.